Adjacent to Phoenix lies Scottsdale, Arizona, a beautiful city with a penchant for both business and pleasure. It's home for Dr. Robert Cohen and the hub of his practice, the Scottsdale Center for Plastic Surgery. After leaving Scottsdale 14 years earlier for education with prestigious universities and elite practices, Dr. Cohen returned to practice cosmetic surgery in his hometown. In this segment, Dr. Robert Cohen performs a breast lift on his lovely young patient, Samantha. Samantha is an 18-year-old woman who more than a year ago decided to make radical changes in her life. After struggling with weight, Samantha lost more than 50 pounds by changing her diet and exercising regularly. As she lost weight, the volume of her breast decreased as well. And suddenly her breast did not look like that of an 18-year-old, but that of a different woman altogether. That's when she met with Dr. Cohen.
What I'm going to be doing is changing the shape of your breast, so we're going to go from sort of a more elongated, droopier look to a rounder, perkier look, but all I'm going to be removing is surface skin. We're not going to be doing anything with the deeper tissue besides rearranging it, okay?
My stepfather actually found Dr. Cohen. He made me feel comfortable. He was very detailed. He just seemed very nice and just made me feel right at home, made me feel everything was going to be okay and I was in the right hands.
When I examined Samantha, I noticed that her breasts were significantly droopy for a patient her age. Her nipples and areolas were in too low a position, and there were some significant stretch marks on her breasts. What she had wanted before surgery was just to have a lift, but not necessarily to have any increase in size. So I felt we could accomplish an excellent result by doing a lift only, removing skin and reshaping the tissue she had without the need for an additional implant.
Samantha felt as she took this journey to improve herself, she deserved this procedure. She had worked very hard for it, and in another amazing turn, quit smoking to make sure she was in optimal condition for the procedure and the recovery.
Here you are. Have fun in there, okay? You are in good hands, okay?
Oh, I love Dr. Cohen. I feel very confident with him, very confident. He has that air, you just feel like you've known him. And I have no questions because he's covered everything in detail, because he makes sure that you understand. So I feel bad when I don't have questions, but I feel he's covered everything. So, and I do. I wouldn't just put anybody with my girl in their hands, so I do feel confident. But I'm nervous and excited. It's a combination.
All right, so I'm about to go in with Samantha. We're going to be doing a breast lift surgery, and essentially what that entails is shifting the nipples and areolas into a higher position without detaching them. They stay totally connected to the breast tissue. I remove a little bit of the extra skin of the lower breasts. I do some tightening to shift the breast tissue up and round it into a better position. So it's basically going to make her breast look a lot more age-appropriate and perkier and more youthful for her.
ASPS states the breast lift procedure, or mastopexy, involves raising and firming the breast by removing excess skin and tightening the surrounding tissue. At the halfway point, you can see immediate improvement. The left breast has been successfully and beautifully lifted. A breast lift does not significantly change the size of the breast, but reshapes and contours.
I was extremely happy with how the surgery went for Samantha. It was a meticulous surgery with minimal blood loss. I was able to achieve all of my goals, and at the end of surgery, she looked excellent already.
The next day following the surgery, Dr. Cohen met with Samantha.
Hi.
Hi.
It's good to see you.
You
How'd you do last night?
Good.
No problems? Good. Your breast used to start down here, and now it's been moved up here, and the entire breast is shifted up higher on your chest.
The breast lift is a safe, long-lasting procedure that can rejuvenate a woman's figure. The results of Dr. Cohen's breast lift on Samantha will finalize over the next few months. It's off to a great start.